Welcome to A Maths. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 2 to power x plus 2 to power 1 minus x equal to 3. And you can see that this is a system of nonlinear equation, and here we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should break this value as 2 to power 1 into 2 to power minus x, because from the basic rule of algebra this value can be written as 2 into 2 to power 1 into 2 to power minus x. Now in the next step we should make this power positive, and for this purpose we should move this value from numerator to denominator. As a result, this power will convert from 2 to power minus x to 2 to power x. Now our new equation is 2 to power x plus 2 over 2 to power x is equal to 3. Now here we should apply the substitute method, and for this purpose we should consider that let 2x is equal to y. Now we should replace this 2 to power x and 2 to power x with this y. As a result, we should get new equation as y plus 2 over y equal to 3. Now in the next step we should simplify this equation, and this equation can be written as y square plus 2 equal to 3y, because this y and this y will multiply together. As a result, we should get y square and 2, and denominator y will multiply with this 3. As a result, we should get 3y on the other side of the equation. Now in the next step we should make this equation in the standardized form. As a result, we should get y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. How? Simply this 3y will move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation and convert into positive 3y to minus 3y. And our new equation will be y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, you can see clearly, and this is factorizable equation. So here we can apply the factorization, and we will factorize this equation as, or we can factorize this equation as y square minus 2y minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So after factorizing we should get this equation. Now we should take common y from both of these values. As a result, we should get y minus 2 as a remaining value, and we should take common minus 1 from both of these values. As a result, we should get y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we should take common y minus square from entire equation. As a result, we should get y minus 1 equal to 0. Now here you can see that here we get two values, and we should equate these value with 0. As a result, we should get y minus 2 equal to 0 and y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we should solve one step linear equation, and then we should get the value for the y. First, this minus 2 will move from one side equation to other side equation. We should get the value for the y equal to 2. But from our substitution, as we know that 2 to power x is equal to y, so we should replace this y with this 2 to power x, and as a result we should get 2 to power x is equal to 2 to power 1. And as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if the two bases are equal and having different power, then their power can be taken equal together. So if the bases are equal, then their power are also equal. So here we should apply the same rule here. As a result, here we will get first value for the x, which is x is equal to 1, by using basic rule of algebra. Now here we get the second value for the y, and which is y equal to 1. When this minus 1 will move to one side equation to the other side equation, it will convert into positive 1. Now we should replace this y with 2 to power x. As a result, we should get our new equation is 2 to power x. And as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if any base having power 0, it will be equal to 1. So this one can be written as 2 to power 0. As a result, here we apply another basic rule of algebra, which we have discussed in the first equation, as if the bases are equal, then their power are also equal. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we should get second value for the x, which is x is equal to 0, and this is the second answer for the equation. So here we get two value for the x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0, and both are the answer for this equation. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.